Welcome to our state-of-the-art office desk manufacturing facility. It all begins with precision cutting. Using advanced CNC machines, we cut the raw materials with incredible accuracy, ensuring every piece meets our exact specifications. Next, it's on to hole drilling. Our automated drills create perfectly aligned holes for screws, dowels, and other hardware. This step is crucial for ensuring that the pieces fit together seamlessly during assembly. Edge banding is up next. We apply high-quality edge banding to give the desk a smooth, finished look and feel. This process not only improves the desk's aesthetics but also protects the edges from damage over time. Before the desks leave our factory, they undergo a rigorous final quality check. Here, we insert mini flex dowels. These small but mighty components provide strong joints that keep the desk sturdy and durable. Our skilled workers meticulously piece together each desk, ensuring all components align perfectly. With careful attention to detail, they secure every joint and attachment, creating a robust and stable structure. Finally, it's on to product packaging. Each desk is carefully packed with protective materials to ensure it arrives in perfect condition. We use sturdy packaging to safeguard against any damage during transit. And there you have it. From raw materials to finished goods, our meticulous process ensures that every office desk we manufacture meets the highest standards of quality and durability. Thank you for joining us on this journey through our manufacturing process.